This is the countdown to the close. About 30 minutes left to go in the trading day.
And after last week's pretty rocky trading in which there was a sell-off in the beginning of the week and then it ended with a big rally, we've gone back to kind of just waiting and seeing and looking for a catalyst. And you have a very mixed bag when it comes to there is some green, particularly in communication services. Some of the streamers are higher. That's good for 1% advance. Financials also on the whole recovering. Consumer discretionary, particularly auto companies also in the green. On the downside, real estate investment trusts, industrials, healthcare, all in the red, but not by a large margin. It very much feels like we're waiting for data. We're waiting for any kind of progress on debt ceiling discussions between the White House and
bright spots out there, though, Scarlett, is in the semiconductor space. Take a look at AMD, really emblematic of the rally we're seeing there, up about 6%. In fact, it's on a three-day 17% run, if you can believe it, though. A lot of that is sort of the bounce off the bottom for some of those names. Similar story for Peloton, up about 4% on the back of an interesting upgrade over at BMO. Keep an eye on that space and keep an eye on contract manufacturer Catalent. It has been under pressure for the last couple of weeks, down 26% on the day. And Workday, we talked about that upgrade earlier over at Stifel on a lot of the stocks, software stocks, including Snowflake. But in that process, it downgraded Workday, saying that there are some idiosyncratic issues there, particularly when it comes to its order book. Also on the back foot today are regional bank stocks. Remember, they had that 5% rally as a group on Friday. They opened higher by about 2% today, but that's completely faded. The KRE down about 2% on the day. And take a look at the drawdown. This has really been the sentiment now for the last few days, the last couple of months. A market that has clearly decided that, at least for right now, they're not really feeling much love for any of the regional lenders. Scarlett.
All right. And speaking of regional lenders, PacWest are leading the